How SIP 26 will be different from SIP 25? SIP 25 was meant for the advanced people who wrote multiple mains and interviews, and they were already ready with their last minute recall notes, and they just wanted to translate these notes into marks. SIP 26 will be for the people who are done with the foundation course and have done 1 or 2 readings of the basic books. They understand the subject and now want to prepare the fresh notes, fresh 1 pager or half pager notes of the topics, and then convert them into marks. In SIP 25, we identified the topics using PYQs. For example, Naxalism is a topic. We identified 20 questions have been asked, 40 topics in these 20 questions. Out of these 40 topics, 10 topics are most often repeated. And then we prepared these 1 pager notes on Naxalism and how to prepare these. We studied the skill set of these. And then we had a PYQ discussion, 1-to-1 discussion on how to write the answers. What are the demand of the question? What are the subparts of the question? What are the arguments? What are the value enrichment? In SIP 26, it will be a more comprehensive program. We will not only be identifying the topics, we will be also telling you how to select the content from the basic books. For example, Lakshmikant is your basic book. How to select the content from that book for the topic federalism, for the topic local self-government, for the topic parliamentary accountability of executive. From these basic books, Lakshmikant Spectrum, we will tell you how to select the content so that you can condense those notes or those content into 1 pager or half pager last minute recall notes. After you prepare these static notes, in SIP 25, we did not tell you how to enrich current affairs into these static notes because time was very less. Here we will also be telling you how to enrich news items, how to enrich current into static notes. Then here we only had a 1-to-1 discussion. We did not check your answers. Here we will be having a separate program for answer writing, 4 levels of answer writing skill set, where we will be doing face-to-face checking of your answers. We will telling you the news placement skills, presentation beautification, templates for each of the subjects. What is the demand of the question, what are the sub parts of the question, how to build arguments, and how to do value addition. So this is the basic difference. We can say the SIP 24 will be the more comprehensive program and will cater to more people who are just preparing the fresh notes and have done with the basic books. Thank you guys.